Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering in Lake Worth. Today we're going to do a beet and blue cheese hors d'oeuvre. You're looking for one of those hors d'oeuvres to set out ahead of time, a little platter of these, or have something to pass around. You got having some dinner party or a couple people over, or just something nice to snack on while you're watching a movie. This might be it. So I've got some beets here, roasted off some yellow and red beets, and I think we did the how to clean those at another one. You know, just peel them. You know, just slice the ends off and rub them with a little paper towel. They come right, and the skins come right off. So we've got the beets. We've got a little gorgonzola. I've got a little bit of arugula, some bacon that I've cooked off and just cut into like little squares. Actually, I just took the strips, cut them into little pieces, and then I've got some candied pecans because I like the candied pecans. And let's just do it. To make this easy, I'm going to use our little handy-dandy mandolin, and I'm just going to cut some little slices. And that way they're all nice and even and straight. Okay, and we can line these up. And we're just going to cut, we're going to use one of our cutters. You could use a circle, you could use a square, you could cut them by hand, triangle, and whatever's floating your boat on that. I'm just going to use a little square cutter because that's what I've pulled out today. Like I said, I'm using the mandolin because it gets it nice and even. And now, they're going to have some leftover little pieces. Certainly take those little leftover pieces. They would make a lovely beet salad. You could also, what I like to do with them, make like a smoothie. Take a little beet and ginger smoothie. It's beautiful. Like I said, so I'm going to take our little cutter, and I'm just going to cut a few of these out and show you what we do for like a nice elegant past hors d'oeuvre. Like I said, or a nice stationery. You could do a whole tray full of these or multiple trays of these. And then as far as the skewer, whatever skewer is your choice. You know, use the skewer and then nobody has to pick up the beet with their hands. Makes it much less messy. Again, we're going to save those and use them for something else. Just got them. And all we're going to do is build like basically little sandwiches. So we do that. We'll do a little piece of bacon. And I like this. This is, I use a pecan smoked bacon. It's just one of my personal preferences. We'll make a little piece of arugula on there. Everybody gets one nice little piece of arugula. And then we finish topping them up. We got another little piece of beet. You know, just square them up. And got the arugula sticking out there. It looks great. And then we're going to take a little piece. I just sliced some of this up. And you just take a little piece of that. Top each one with a little piece of the sliced blue cheese or gorgonzola or whatever your favorite one is. And then put a little piece of nut on there. You like walnuts better? Use walnuts. I happen to like these candied pecans. So that's what I use. And then, like I said, I've got some handy-dandy little forks. And we're just going to go right in there with the fork. And see how those pick up beautiful. And I put them on a little bit of an angle just to get them in. And that way they're all pointing the same way. Go through the bacon. And then we give them just a little dollop of this on top. Well, that one's going to be a stubborn one. All right. Here we go. We've got a roast beet and blue cheese passed hors d'oeuvre, or a nice little stationary hors d'oeuvre for you. Chef Jeff here at White Apron Catering. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this. Let me know what you think.